Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to create an app without coding. In this video we are going to reveal a platform on which you can create an app without coding, and we will also demonstrate the sign up and account setup process, and we will also show you all the steps that are required to publish your app. So watch this video till the end to better understand all these steps. Creating an app without coding may sound tricky, but with the website that we're going to reveal in this video, anyone can do this. The website we're talking about is AppyPie. AppyPie is the highest rated no-code platform trusted by more than 10 million customers and businesses worldwide. With the help of AppyPie, you can create powerful web and mobile applications. You can automate workflows easily and quickly without coding with AppyPie's no-code development and workflow automation platform. If you hover your cursor on the Products tab in the top navigation bar, then you will see that AppyPie has products for no-code development platform, no-code design platform, no-code workflow automation platform, and no-code business process automation platform. If you hover your cursor on the Enterprise tab, you will see that AppyPie also has enterprise solutions for Slack and Microsoft Teams automation, Salesforce and Slack automation, workflow automation, mobile app, and chatbot. Now let's see how you can create an app without coding with the help of AppyPie. If you already have an AppyPie account, use this login button on the top right corner to sign in, or else you need to sign up by using this join button. This is the sign up page. From here, you can continue with your Google account, or you can also use other methods of sign up like your Facebook, Microsoft Online, Microsoft, LinkedIn, and Xero account. You can also sign up by using your email address. We are continuing with this. Here, enter your email address. Then here, create a password. Tick the box of terms and conditions and privacy policy, and then click on the sign up button. Now here, enter the verification code that's sent to your email address and then click on the confirm button. On the next page, you will be asked, which business do you want to create? With the help of AppyPie, you can create a native mobile app, a responsive website, custom domains, and custom business email. As we have to create a mobile app, we are going to click on the Create New App link. On the next page here, enter your business's name. We are entering demonstration. Don't worry about the name, you can change it later. And then click on the next button. On the next page, you need to choose the category that fits you the best. You can select between business, radio or podcast, restaurant and food, online store, events, education, religion or worship, health and wellness, news and magazine, location and places, dating, and others. Choose the suitable category. Here we are selecting business. On the next page, you have to pick a color scheme. From here, you can switch between light and dark colors. You can select between deep ocean, go green, cheerful cherry, dynamic sunburst, carbon mystique, and techno gray. First, choose between light and dark mode, and then select the appropriate color. You can also change it later. We are continuing with the dark mode and cheerful cherry. On the next page, you have to select a device to test your app. You can select between Android and iOS. Here you will see that there are 7 million Android apps and 3 million iPhone apps. If you hover your cursor on Android, then you will see that it supports Samsung, OnePlus, Motorola, Google Pixel, and all Google Play Store supported device. And if you hover your cursor on iOS, then you will see that it supports iPhone, iPad, and all Apple Store supported devices. We recommend you to go for the Android platform as it has more apps and supported devices than iOS, but you can select the platform according to your preference. We are continuing with Android. And then you will be taken to your dashboard. On your dashboard, from here you can manage your app. From here you can convert mobile app to website. From here, you can claim app landing page. From here, you can get a perfect domain. And lastly, from here, you can get custom email. Let's create our app. Click on the Manage App link. On this page, you will see two categories to manage your app. First is the Edit, Test and Go Live section, from where you can access the pages for Edit, Test App on Device, Billing Info, and Publish your app. And the second is the Engage Users section, from where you can access the options of Push Notifications, Email Templates, Analytics, Replicate App, Hosting, Users, App Marketing, Promotion, Integrations, Beacon, and Advertisement. Let's click on the Edit button. This is the editor page of your app. In the left side, there are some icons. First is Design Customization. Click on it. From here, you can select the layout for your app. You can select between matrix, slide out, bottom, list, and if you slide right, you will see there are many attractive and eye-catching layouts that you can use. Choose according to your preference and requirements. We are continuing with the matrix layout. After clicking on it, you will see its preview on mobile. And below is the Customize App Elements section. From here, you can change your app's name. From here, you can change the app package name. And from here, you can also change the app category. From here, you can change the app icon. To change the default icon, click on the Edit icon, and in the pop-up window from here, you can select icons from Appify or else use this Upload App Icon tab to upload your own icon. From here, you can change the app background. To change the default app background, click on the Edit icon, and in the pop-up window from here, you can choose from solid colors. And from the Media from Appify tab, you can choose Media from Appify. And from the Shutterstock Images tab, you can browse and select through Shutterstock Images. And from the Upload Custom Image, you can upload your own background. And from here, you can select the app splash screen, which will be shown to users when the app loads on a mobile device. The second icon in the left sidebar is App Features. Click on it. And from here, you can look for your desired features in various categories and easily add them to your app. The third icon is System Pages. Click on it. From here, you can authenticate your app users by enabling login or sign up functionality in your app and configure system page settings as per your requirements. Enable this slider to apply a global login. We have pages for About Us, Website, Appointment, Photo, and Contact. The fourth one is the appointment icon. Click on it. And from here, you can use the form builder for appointment form, inquire form, custom form, and nested form. And the fifth one is the photo icon. Click on it, and you will have two options, which are Edit Feature and Manage Feature. If you hover your cursor on the devices icon on the top of the page, from here you can toggle between Android and iOS. And from here you can also get a tablet preview. And once you're done with designing and customizing your app, click on the Publish button on the top right corner. It might take some time to save the changes depending on your app's size. Finally, you will see a confirmation message saying, "Your changes have been published successfully. Now restart your app to see all the changes in your mobile app." With this, we have completed a tutorial on how to create an app without coding. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you've benefited from it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.